friends and family, we are going to visit Gangtok, Lachung, Peling and Darjeeling. So let's go! So here we are taking off with our friends from Sardar Vallabhbhai International Airport to Bagdogra Airport in West Bengal. Gangtok has its own airport, Pakyong. Pakyong has currently only one flight from Delhi, hence it is better to take a flight to Bagdogra. There are plenty of flights from all across the country going to Bagdogra. We have landed at Bagdogra Airport and we are on our way to Gangtok. If you decide to come by train, you have to come to Siliguri railway station. Siliguri and Bagdogra are just separated by a bridge. Gangtok is about 125 kilometers from Bagdogra. It will take you about 5.5 hours to drive to reach there. On the way, we decided to do rafting in the river Tista. If you want to do rafting, remember to put on your dry fit clothes. The dry fit clothes dry easily and hence they are better. Remember that rafting comes from on the way from Bagdogra to Gangtok. On the way back, if you are coming back from Darjeeling, rafting will not be possible. Rafting here is extremely easy and it is not difficult. Hence, any child above 10 years can do it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos to your friends. Finally, I've reached my hotel, the Hamsa Residency, after a long journey of 5.5 hours from Bagdogra to Gangtok. On the way, we stopped at the Tista River for a thrilling rafting experience. Which is why I'm really tired and exhausted. So now we are going for dinner and immediately go to the bed because we have a long day ahead of us. Bye. Good night.